This is why you need to try the breath holding challenge. Ready? Let's go. Alright, here's the deal. We're about to start a countdown timer. The challenge? Hold your breath for as long as you can. Think you've got what it takes? Let's find out. On your mark. Get set. Go. Remember, it's all about control and calmness. Feel your heartbeat. Stay focused. Keep holding. You're doing great. Just a bit longer. Can you feel the burn yet? Keep pushing. Almost there. And time. How did you do? Did you make it? Comment below with your time and challenge your friends to beat it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic challenges. You crushed it. See you in the next challenge.